Well, hey, all welcome. Now, if you're in need of a low profile fan, like in a kid's room that has bunk beds, for example, that's my situation, this is a great option for you because it has a light kit and it's a reversible fan. I'm going to let you zoom in close and see everything that comes with it, including the hardware kit. I'm going to go ahead and install it so you can see what it looks like. This ceiling fan comes with everything you need for installation, including the mounting plate I'm holding here. It attaches directly to the ceiling, and as you can see, there's a cable connected to it. The cable is designed to support the fan during installation, allowing you to hang it temporarily while you connect the wires. When installing the plate, you can easily disconnect the cable, then reconnect it once the plate is secure. I'll show you exactly how that works in just a moment. The hardware kit includes everything you need: wire nuts, screws, and even anchor bolts if you're mounting the fan to a concrete ceiling. Now, with the plate secured to the ceiling, I'm using the built-in cable to hang the fan. This gives me both hands free to safely and easily connect the wiring. Now, you can control both the fan and the light with the included remote, which turned out to be way more convenient than I expected. And if you're into smart home features, there's an app you can download to control everything from your phone. Using the phone or the app, the lighting is fully customizable. You can adjust both the brightness and the color temperature from a warm, cozy glow to a crisp, bright daylight. And as for the fan, it has 6 speeds and is super quiet. It's reversible, so you can have cool air in the summer, reverse the flow in the winter, and you can move the warm air around the room. Now, if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button so more people can have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.